to race. Race number 5. And the race is on surprise call from the Danori inside is Bangge. The Gusto King rushing upfield runner together with London Dry. Surprise call London Dry from the outside. Dynamic Love Danori inside. The Gusto King racing in Pibangge and racing from the outside field runner. Entering the last 500, surprise call. Rushing up is London Drive from the outside by the rally's Dynamic Love. Pravda racing forward by Sam Tulangs Bangge. Rounding the far turn, surprise call. London Drive from the outside. Dynamic Love Danori inside Pravda as they race the final corner. London Drive, the favorite from the outside. Dynamic Love Danori inside, surprise call. And in the last 100 meters more to run. London Dry, Dynamic Love Danori inside, fighting it out for the lead. But London Dry by a length and a half. Danori inside, Dynamic Love. And finally, the favorite 7-8, London Dry. Dynamic Love, surprise call, Bangge, and field runner for your Pentafecta.